everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful style. This is a very popular style by Jon Renau, and this is called Ignite. This is just a wonderful short pixie bob style, and I've heard a lot about it throughout the years, so this is the first time I've actually tried it myself. Ignite is a synthetic lace front basic cap wig. This isn't just your normal synthetic, this is actually your HD synthetic fiber. So you can use your heat tools and change up whatever you'd like to with this fiber. You can curl it, you can add waves, you can crimp it, whatever you'd like to do with this HD fiber to just make it your own. The color that I'm wearing today is Malibu Blonde, also known as 12 FS12. This is one of my favorite colors out of the California blondes that they have. I really do love it. It's just beautiful. So anyway, what do you guys think of Ignite? I know it has been a very highly popular, great seller for quite a few years. Well, not quite a few, a lot of years. And I just think it's adorable. You can wear it, you know, down. You have that beautiful lace front. So, I mean, obviously, like I had it, you can wear it away from the face in many different ways. Just because it's short doesn't mean you don't have versatility with the way that you decide to wear this style. So, because it is basic cap, it does have permatease in the crown. And I will show you a closer look of that permatease and this cap construction when I take it off. So I have described Malibu Blonde in a lot of various different videos, but just for your reference, Malibu Blonde is light gold brown, a light natural gold blonde, and pale natural gold blonde, all blended. And then you have it shaded or rooted with a light gold brown. It's a beautiful color, and I will show you a closer look also when I take this wig off. With Ignite, you have a lot of angled layers and it's nice and short up in the nape. Let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see this cute wig from all angles. You can flip out this wig and make a nice sassy shag. You can add some different products and make it look nice and edgy and pieced out. You can have it draped across your forehead and put a clip or a headband with it and have it look cutesy. There are a lot of different ways you can style this cute wig. This beautiful fiber looks and feels like human hair, but this is high heat synthetic. The recommended heat setting for this fiber is 275 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an average size cap. It fits my head really well. I wear average in the majority of all wig brands, and this fits me quite well. I would say this wig is true average in size. Okay, let's take this cutie off and show you the inside. You have this gorgeous lace front. It's hand knotted, ready to wear, and virtually invisible. It does look like a fantastic lace front, even with those dark roots. The lace front creates a natural looking hairline, and you can wear it off the face like I mentioned. Now what you have up in the top is a basic machine wefted cap, or what they call a capless wig. That means you don't have a monofilament top, a double monofilament top, you don't have silk or anything like that. You don't have any hand-tied areas in the top and crown of your style. So what you do have is some permalift or permatease. It looks really great, and it gives this style the beautiful silhouette and height and lift that you see right here. I do believe that this permatease does look fantastic because of the color. I am one that I prefer a rooted wig, especially with like permatease. It's just my personal preference, but as you can see, this does have that permatease in the roots, and I think it looks good. It looks like it's been kind of teased with some back combing to give it that nice lift that you see going on. You do have the ventilation between these wefts in that capless top, and that gives you great ventilation. The rest of this cap is also open wefted. That's great for airflow and ventilation. And then you have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire and a velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Now here's a closer look of that beautiful color, 12FS12, also Malibu Blonde. I think it looks great and it's so cute with this style. Now this is part of Jon Renau's HD collection, and what that means is it is that heat defiant fiber. Now let's put this wig back on. The front of Ignite is 8 inches. Your crown is 5.75 inches. The sides are 5.25 inches, and your nape is 1.5 inches. I just love that nape, the way it hugs your neck and nape area. It just looks so flattering, so cute. The total weight of this lightweight cute wig is 2.7 ounces. If you want something light and airy and easy to wear through the summer, spring months when it gets a lot hotter, this would be a fantastic wig because it is nice and light. You have that great air ventilation with the wefts, and it's just adorable. What do you guys think about Ignite by Jon Renau? And what do you think about this beautiful color? I know it's been around for a while and I've shared it quite a bit, but what are your thoughts? Do you love this blonde? Would you prefer a different one? Would you prefer a red or a brunette? Let me know. Put your comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And also, you guys, keep watch for another video because I'm going to be talking about how to care for your HD synthetic fibers and maybe change up this Ignite just a little bit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.